lovelies, welcome back to my channel. To begin with, I'm going to put away any hair from my face, and for that I'm using the Anti-Slip Crocodile Clips. Next, I'm using Glow Creme Illuminating Face Cream from the brand ERBORIAN. It's super light and dewy. For my base, I'm mixing together NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in shade Medium 3.2 with MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream. The Strobe Cream will bring an instant illumination to my skin. All the products I'm using in this video will be listed down in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. For my concealer, I'm using NYX's HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in shade CW04, also known as Beige. This is a really good concealer for nighttime makeup. It totally brightens and illuminates your skin. One tip for applying high coverage concealers is that make sure you do not blend the concealer all over your skin. Keep it where you applied for best results. Onto the eyes, I'm using Hoola Soft Matte Bronzing Powder from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm going to apply this only onto the crease area of my eyelids. Next, I'm using NYX's Ultimate Shadow Palette number USP04. From the palette, the only shade I shall be using today is the Vibrant Red. I'm going to apply this to my entire eyelids and make sure to blend in with my crease so there are no harsh lines left. As my eyeliner today, I'm using Daniel Sandler's long-lasting waterproof eyeliner in shade Aqua Velvet. I absolutely love this color and moreover love how gorgeous it looks with those sulky red eyes. Yes, the eyeshadow is definitely red. For some reason on camera, it's picking up to be pink, but I can assure you it's a definite red. Using the same vibrant red color from the NYX palette, I'm going to bring down the eyeshadow to my lower lash line, but only stretching up to the middle of my waterline. I'm leaving the inner corners of my eyes alone. This is the main element that brings together this makeup look. Remember, the point is to join and blend the upper and lower eyeshadows together to give that popping effect. To set all my makeup in, I'm using Bare Minerals Bare Skin Perfecting Veil in shade Medium. For my brows, I'm using Bourjois Paris Eyebrow Pencil in shade Brunette. I can't really get enough of this eyebrow filler. Always remember to brush through your brows so they don't look like they are drawn. Using NYX's Highlight and Contour Pro Palette number HCPP01, I am mixing shades Tan and Toffee to contour my face. I'm going a little lighter on contour as I want my eyes to remain the focus of this makeup look. Using shade Ice Queen and Soft Light from the same palette, I am going to highlight my brow bones, bridge of my nose, middle of my forehead, and Cupid's bow. I changed from fan brush to a regular concealer brush as the former was not picking up the shade properly. For blush, I'm using Luminous Flush Lighting Blush in shade Ambient from Hourglass. It's a pretty pink blush with highlighting properties. Using the same highlighting shades Ice Queen and Soft Light, I am going to highlight my cheekbones. I am going a little extra here to get that glowing shimmer. Using Clinique's High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara, I'm going to coat my upper and lower lashes. If you guys want, you can go ahead and add those fake lashes to up your eye makeup game. Last but not the least, for lips, I'm opting for Sephora's Color Lip Blast lipstick in shade Blooming Rose. It's a perfect pinky nude color to go along with those bold red eyes. And that's the final look for a date night or any other night you want to wear it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found some idea for your date nights. Subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more such videos, and thank you so much for stopping by. Lots of love, fellas.